Here's the Opel Corsa 2007, and one of the rear light bulbs is not working, more exactly this one, the reverse light. The other one is there, that one is working, that's just sunshine. So let's see how to fix that problem, because I think the light bulb is not damaged. Get the key, insert it. It is in N, neutral. It has an automatic gearbox. Press the brake also. Now turn the key. Now shift into reverse, and instead of an N you should see an R there. So right and back. The R is flashing, it was removed. Now since I pressed the brake also, it remained there. And it's beeping. And yes, that one is working, that one is not working. I stopped the engine, it remained in reverse. Now open this, and here on the left side open this compartment, just pull it out like so. And inside here we have this and that nuts, so you can grab them manually and twist them. This little lamp is making some light inside there, so that you can see something. That turns off after a while. Don't lose this nut, because it will fall down there somewhere. Place it there. Now remove the next one. The lamp is already moving a little bit. Now grab the lamp from the corner, pull it out. Here is the electric connector, that one. Push down the top portion and you can pull it up. So that was pushed down. That's the lamp. Now disconnect this, that and that. Just pull it to the outside, and meanwhile push the interior portion up. That's it. And that one. Now lift up this center element. We have two parts. So these were holding the other part. Okay, and that's the reverse light. It is smaller than the others, and it is sitting taller. I will just pull it out. So that's the light bulb. It's similar to a 5-watt light bulb, but this is larger. That's the base. It has two legs. Those legs have to enter there to the side. And are these connectors good enough? Now this has a metal wire there on the right side, and on the other side another metal wire. So that should make contact with this and that. That was just pushed in. This lower portion is holding it there inside. The filament doesn't seem to be broken. Here's a multimeter. Let's check the continuity of that light bulb. Put that one there to the diode. That's it. And now when you touch the two leads, it is making a beep sound. So when it's beeping, you know that it is continuous. Power is transferred from one lead to the other. Now put these onto the two metal portions of the light bulb. So one here and the other there. And no, there is no beep. So here we have a beep. It's continuous. Power is being transferred from one to the other. But here, since it's not beeping, the filament is not continuous, so it is most likely interrupted. Once again, now there is no beep. So this light bulb has to be replaced. So here we have the new light bulbs. W16W, 12 volts, 16 watts. They look like that. So here's the new light bulb. W16W. Put the connector back. And put the screws back. The light just stopped. This light. Now put everything back and then this cover. Now it's in neutral. Push it to the right and back. And now it's in R. Handbrake is pulled. It's beeping. And now both of the lights are working. Push it to the right and it removes it from reverse. Now it's in N. Now the reversing light bulbs should be off because it was removed from the reverse gear. From this gear, now it's in the N